Let's quickly create a port scanner. Alright, so first we open up our own IDE. I use NeoVim, don't worry about it. Let's just write port scanner.py. Yeah? Now we import in socket. Then we create a for loop, I in range, just say to up to 1,000. There we go. Then we create a variable s, which is then equal to socket.socket with brackets to get in the function. Then we do s.connect. Then we put in a tuple, which will, let's just put in the local address. Yeah. And then we put in I, which is the port number that is increasing. But first we got put. Actually, we should put in a try here. Let's put in a try. Try accept method. This will make things easy. Here we go. And then print format. Port I is open. Then we put accept. We just put in pass. And we just say port. Oh, sorry, not port. Print. The port scanner has started. There you go. That's how you do it.